In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add flat rate shipping on Shopify. Flat rate shipping is a simple, predictable option where customers pay a single fixed amount for delivery, no matter what's in their cart. It's great for clarity at checkout and for keeping your operations straightforward. First, log into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions so you can update your store's shipping settings without any issues. Once you're in the admin, head to settings, then select shipping and delivery. This is where all of your shipping profiles and rates live. We'll be working in the default profile for most stores, which is perfect for a flat rate that applies to your general catalog. Under the shipping section, click General Shipping Rates. This opens your default shipping profile with any regions you currently ship to. You'll see your shipping zones here, like domestic or international regions, depending on how your store is set up. Within shipping zones, click Add Rate in the zone where you want this flat fee to apply. Pick the zone that matches the destination you're setting up, such as your home country or a specific region. Your flat rate will only appear for customers whose addresses fall inside that zone. When prompted, choose Flat Rate as the rate type. This tells Shopify you want to charge a single, fixed amount rather than using a carrier calculated rate. It keeps your checkout simple and avoids surprises for customers. Next, enter a rate name. Make it clear and friendly, like standard shipping or flat rate shipping. Adding an estimated time frame in the name or description, such as 3 to 5 business days, can help manage expectations and reduce support questions later. Now enter the price you want to charge. This is the exact amount the customer will see at checkout for that zone. Consider your average postage costs, packaging, and any handling expenses when choosing this number. If you plan to run promotions, remember you can set the price to 0 to create a free flat rate when you need it. When you're happy with the name and price, click Done, and then click Save to confirm your changes. Saving is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your new rate won't go live. That's it. Your flat rate will now appear at checkout for customers in the selected zone, giving them a clear, consistent shipping option and helping you keep fulfillment predictable. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to offer a simple, reliable flat rate in your Shopify store.